Hi, boys and girls. I just got a new game, and I was going to ask you if you would take a spin with me and play the game. And then I thought, they're not going to know what I mean by take a spin. Well, if we take a spin at something, we try it out, right? But I was trying to be funny because our new game has a spinner on it. See how that spins around? Yeah, so I was trying to be funny and use words in a creative way and say, let's take a spin at this. And then I wanted to look at a spinner. Sometimes authors use words like that, don't they? Well, anyways, let's take a look at our game and see if we can learn a little bit about math by looking at this game. All right, so we got to try and fit this in. We had to go buy a plug. Our laptop's wearing out tonight. Okay, so over here you can see our first tree. We're going to give our spinner a spin and see how many apples are on this tree. Then, do you see this symbol down here? That one's called an addition sign. Sometimes we call the plus. Yep, it means there's going to be more. We have some and then we get some more. And we're going to get more apples from this tree. And we're going to see what that equals or how many there are in all. All right, let's give it a try. Let's have Jackson. You want to do the first spin? Okay. All right, Jackson got a 4. So we're going to put 4 apples on our apple tree. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 4 apples. And look at, I can even take one of these little cards. And it says there, 4 apples. See how there's an S on the end? It's because there is more than one. So we're going to put that down there. Okay, now we're going to get some more. Are you ready, Lillian? Why don't you give it a spin? Oh, she got a number 2. Good. So we're going to put 2 apples on. Yep. 1, 2. And I can add the number 2, the numeral, at the bottom. Here we go. So what does this say so far, Jackson? Can you tell me the number sentence? 4 plus, good, how many? 2 equals. Well, maybe we should put them together, find out how many in all, count them up. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many apples are there in all? All right, go ahead, tell me, Benjamin. Good, there are 6 apples in all. So I can take the number 6 and I can put it on this bucket here. I'm going to clear something up from our screen. It's kind of flashing stuff here. Okay, let's put that down here and let's clear our cards and let's try another one. I think we're still up for some more. Okay, and we'll put these cards away. Remember when we were doing math together and I'd say clear, clear, clear. All eyes up here. That means we're going to start over. All right, Natalie, do you want to give our next one a spin? Okay, go ahead, buddy. Oh, we got 4. That was equal to what we started off with before. Yep, let's do it. 1, 2. Let's do it on this side. 3, 4. Good, very good. You're right, I did arrange it differently, but it's still 4. Good eye. Okay, and let's see, Mason, have you had a turn in a while? Okay, let's try. Mason, what did you spin? A 1. So this is going to have a different total, isn't it? Yep, we've got 1 apple tree. So let's contrast these. Okay, this card says 1 apple. This one says 4 apples. See how that has an S? That's because 4 is more than 1, so it needs an S. This one doesn't need an S because there's only 1. All right, so we had 4. We got some more. We got 1 more, and what does that equal? We could just count up. We could say 4, and 1 more makes 5. Good job. All right, good. Let's go ahead and put the number 5 right over here, just like that. Katie and I agree with you. We should do this again. Let's give it another try, and then I'll tell you about your math assignment for today. All right, Kaden, give it her a spin. Ready? This is for you. Oh, he got a 5. Good one. That's the greatest number on here. All right, let's go ahead and count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. I did try to make it look like when we look at dice in that pattern. Okay, who else would like to give it a spin? Brooklyn, you want to give it a spin? Okay. Oh, she got a 2. Oh, you want me to put the 5 apples down there? Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so now we're going to add 2 apples to our tree, a pair of apples. Okay, and we can put the number 2 at the bottom. Kylie, will you read me the math sentence so far? What she's saying. Yeah. 5 plus, good girl, 2, equals, let's find out what it equals. Let's count it all up. Ethan, you want to count for the class? Okay, yep, you lead it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. There are 7 in all. So let's go ahead and find the number 7. There we go. And we'll put that over here for our total. Very good. All right, 5 plus 2 equals 7. There are 7 apples up here. All right, well, kindergartners, you did a great job of helping me solve some math problems using an apple tree. The counters helped us figure that out, and then we used numbers to represent what we saw in those trees, didn't we? All right, well, let's do a little bit more number work by reviewing the number 8. All right, remember this paper? That's one where we go on a hunt, where I want you to look all over and see where you spy the number 8. So everywhere you see 8, find it and color. Yep, you're right. Gotta catch them all, like those Pokemon. Good. And then I want you to practice. Do you remember how we used to say that about the number 8? Let's do it with a marker. Kind of hold it in the air a little bit. Can we do that? Make an S, do not wait, go right back up and make an 8. Good job. Oh, your grandma showed you a different way? Oh, the snowman way? Okay, we can do the snowman way. Yep, we make a circle on top and a circle on the bottom. Yes. Either way, we're going to get the number 8 and it's going to work for us. All right, kiddos, I want you to take your time with that, do your best work, and as you're doing it, think about the numbers. Don't just rush through to get her done. You got to think about the math while you're doing it. All right, boys and girls, I know you'll do great.